Hello, I am back with a new DIY, and today I wanted to show you how I turned my old heels into a new set of jhanjar or ghungroo heels just in time for Indian wedding season. This is actually one of my fastest and easiest DIYs, so if you have a pair of old heels that you want to jazz up, you've got needle and thread and some bells, then this will be very easy for you to do. I've actually had these heels for 5 years now and I've never worn them out. But I recently went to Gaurav Gupta's fashion show in Paris, and Megan Thee Stallion turned up in this stunning outfit made by him, covered with ghunghroos, and I was inspired to use them to jazz up my heels in the hope that I'd wear them some more. First, I tied a knot in my string. I'm using embroidery thread here, but any sewing thread will work, and then I passed it through the shoe where I wanted to fix the ghunghroos. I then threaded 3 bells through the thread and put the needle back through to fix them into the shoe. That's pretty much it. Ghunghroos have been used in classical dance for centuries, and they bring attention to the dancer's feet and add to the rhythm of the music. I've grown up watching them used in big Bollywood dance numbers, and they've always taken centre stage. I'm Gujarati, so we actually call them jhanjar, and traditionally they're given as heirlooms, and I actually received a pair when I got married recently from my mum. Nowadays, I've seen people incorporate these into modern fashion, much like Megan Thee Stallion's outfit, and I've seen juttis with bells on them, and so I thought I'd do a different take on them, and I absolutely love how they've turned out. When all the bells are finally added, you can tie a knot at the end of the string to make sure that it's all secure, and try and do this as close to the mesh as possible so the bells are held taut. And that's it, new shoes in 10 minutes. My only issue now is that I actually can't walk in heels very well, and I really wanted to wear these in my day-to-day as well as with Indian clothes. So one thing I'm on the lookout for is now some mesh flat shoes, so I'm looking forward to sharing that with you over the next coming weeks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one.